Have you ever really thought about how 3D printing has gone way beyond just making prototypes in the lab? I mean, it's actually out there solving some massive real-world problems now.
Oh, absolutely. We're talking about huge leaps in healthcare, sustainability, even getting us to Mars. Wait, Mars? Seriously? You mean like printing tools and parts for missions right there on the planet? That's next level. But let's bring it back to Earth for a second. What's the big impact here?
Oh, it's a massive one. Let's start with healthcare, because the changes there are happening right now, and they're incredibly human.
So get this. Doctors are creating patient-specific surgical guides to practice really complex operations before they even start. And think about custom prosthetics. There are these amazing communities, like eNable, printing affordable, functional hands for children all over the world. Just imagine a kid getting a custom-fit Iron Man-themed arm. That's what I call technology with a heart.
Exactly. It's all about making life better through really smart design. It's accessibility through innovation. Wow, so it's not just an engineering marvel, it's a social one too. That's incredible. But what about the planet? I mean, how does making more stuff help with sustainability?
That's a great question. And this is where 3D printing's environmental side really starts to shine. See, traditional manufacturing is subtractive. You start with a big block of material and just cut away everything you don't need. It's so wasteful. But 3D printing is additive. It builds things up, layer by layer, using only what's necessary. You won't believe this, but in the aerospace industry, for some parts, this can cut material waste by up to 90%. And get this, companies are now making filament from recycled plastics. They're turning ocean waste and old PET bottles into high-quality printing material. Seriously? That's a total game changer. It's not just about reducing waste, it's about actively cleaning it up and putting it to use.
So it's basically like a high-tech, eco-friendly version of Jugaad. You know, smart, efficient, and incredibly resourceful.
Exactly. From 3D printed houses built in a fraction of the time to lightweight parts for electric vehicles, it's all about engineering with a sense of responsibility. The future of design has to be sustainable.
Okay, this all sounds pretty incredible. But if everything is so perfect, there must be some catches, right? What are the actual limitations we're facing?
Of course, on one hand, the advantages are super clear. Total customization, much faster prototyping, and creating these complex, lightweight parts. Its applications are popping up everywhere. But on the other hand, yeah, we're still facing some hurdles. It's just too slow for mass production right now, the variety of materials is still growing, and those industrial-grade machines, they cost a lot. So it's powerful, for sure, but it's not a magic bullet. At least, not yet.
Got it. So 3D printing is kind of like a superhero in training. It's strong, super helpful, but still, figuring out how to fly properly.
That's a perfect analogy. And it's really up to engineers like us to help it learn to fly faster, to solve these challenges and build a better world, literally, layer by layer.
So, every time we hit print, we're not just making a part, we're actually designing a little piece of the future.
It's becoming so clear that this isn't just about the technology itself, is it? It's where empathy and creativity and sustainability all come together.
Exactly. And who knows, the next huge breakthrough, maybe in sustainable housing or personalized medicine, could come from a student in a lab just like ours, right now. Because the world doesn't just need more engineers, it needs creators.
Every design we create, it isn't just data. It's a possibility. That's because the future isn't just waiting out there to be found, it's waiting to be printed. Think, print, change the world.